Hi, welcome back guys to the AMCrypto YouTube channel, your trusted source for your Bitcoin updates. So I have found today here an insane fractal, and if I'm correct with this, then Bitcoin is really close here for an imminent bounce back to the upside. So if I'm wrong, then we're in a multi-year bear market, and we all have to apply at McDonald's to make a living. So, and if you enjoy my content, then please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. And now let's dive right into it. So here on the 4-hourly chart, we have yesterday seen that the bear flag target actually was completed here in the recent hours. So, and that was one of my biggest fears, that we will actually complete this target. And like I said yesterday, congratulations to everyone that was able to take this short trade. So I did not take this trade. So, and we went here straight through the Fibonacci retracement level of the 1.618 at roughly $34,000, and now continue to get here lower. So, and we are right now here getting supported from this support area of 32,500, 32,800 dollars. So, and the bulls are fighting right now to keep the price afloat above this level, because if we lose this level, Bitcoin will definitely drop to around $30,000 and will create a new higher low on the macro structure. So, and that is something that I want to show you is trading here within this logarithmic growth curve. So every time when Bitcoin was bottoming out, we also saw that the RSI was breaking here, this line. So here, all the way back here, when we created here the low in 2015. So what you can see, also here this one, so that one is the right one. So we broke here slightly under that line, and the RSI came back up, and then we went here a massive run to the upside. So then in after 2017's run, we came back, touched the channel here to the downside. We broke again under the RSI here and went on another small run to the upside. So then here, the Corona dump, the RSI broke again this line to the downside, and then we went here on the bull run that brought us to our new all-time high of close to $70,000. And now once again we are testing this line here on the RSI right now. So in the next 1 or 2 weeks, we should expect 100% a bounce from here, because we never stayed long under this line. So if you look from here, it was 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Yeah, so after 4 to 8 weeks, we saw a reversal here. So, but we have a really unique case here right now. The Bitcoin price has never printed since 2014 6 red weekly candles in a row. So, and that is another sign that we are really close here to an imminent bounce on the macro trend. So I believe that this can maximum go on for another 2 or 3 weeks, and then we have to see here a massive reversal in the Bitcoin price. So, and another interesting fact that is pointing to this is here this bigger fractal. So when we're looking at this here from 2017 all the way to 2020, so when the Bitcoin price went to its prior all-time high at $22,000 and has touched here before this bottom line here. So what happened? The Bitcoin price went into a bear market, came all the way down and into this support region, and got here supported after a small consolidation phase, and went up and created here another run to the upside. And then we came only to the top of this range here to test this as support, and got a massive bounce to the upside, and that was supported also by massive volume, as we can see here. So right now we got a similar scenario. When you look at it, we came down here into the range to test this, went on a run to the upside, we came back down to this, touched it here multiple times in that range, went on another run to the upside, and now it could be that we are getting here our bounce back to the upside. So because we're testing right now exactly the same point here, so we have here 3 touch points in this scenario, And here also we have right now 3 bigger touch points along this support line for the Bitcoin price. So also here, the only thing that is missing is that we see massive volume coming in here. So either sell or buy volume massively, or like here both come in here and push the Bitcoin price back to the upside. So most likely once we are getting close to, let's say, the $30,000 level, we should see massive sell volume coming in, because the bears will try to break this, and then immediately buy volume with the next candle pushing it back to the upside. So that is what I'm expecting here. So, and I have already set orders, multiple orders along these ranges here to go massively long. So I'm dollar cost averaging into my position all the way down. So even if we break this level, then I will just deleverage a little bit, because I want to make sure that I catch this massive bottom and run this then into a new all-time high, with the position that I want to have. And if you want to do this too, guys, don't forget, you can go here under my video. There you get now in total $18,150 in bonuses here with my link to PrimeXBT. There you get up to $7,000 if you use AMCrypto as a code, and then you still get on BYBIT $4,500, $4,050, on BitGet $3,000 and 15% discount on fees, and on Phemex you get $4,100 with my links here under the video and in the comment section, guys. Don't forget this. And if you don't want to trade on these platforms because you're not experienced and you need a guiding hand, then don't forget you can also still join my paid signals group. There you get here with that link directly in touch with my staff. They will hook you up with everything what you need to know. We made again nice gains here in the first week of May. We made almost 200%. So definitely check this out, guys. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this content. Don't forget to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.